Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are facing a community guidelines violation error on TikTok and you want to fix it, this video is for you. I will show you how to resolve this issue and get back to creating content. So now let's get started. First, it is important to review TikTok's community guidelines to understand why your video might have been flagged. Go to the TikTok website or app, navigate to the Help Center, and read through their guidelines. If you believe your video was flagged by mistake, you can appeal the violation. Open the TikTok app, go to your inbox and select the notification about the violation. Tap on the appeal and follow the instructions to submit your appeal. If your appeal is unsuccessful or you realize the content does violate guidelines, consider editing the video to remove the offending content or delete it entirely. This can help avoid future violations and keep your account in good standing. To prevent future violations, always double-check your videos before posting to ensure they comply with the TikTok's guidelines. Avoid sensitive content and make sure your videos are appropriate for all audiences. And that is how you easily fix a TikTok community guidelines violation error. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.